Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: troubleshooting water heaters. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. When it comes to the comfort and functionality of our homes, few things are as essential as a properly functioning water heater. From hot showers to clean dishes, water heaters are the unsung heroes of our daily routines. However, these appliances can occasionally run into issues that may disrupt their performance. In this guide, we will explore common problems that can arise with water heaters and provide troubleshooting tips to help you address them effectively. Common water heater issues. No hot water. One of the most noticeable signs of a water heater problem is a lack of hot water. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, from a malfunctioning heating element to a broken thermostat. Strange noises, unusual sounds such as popping or rumbling coming from your water heater may indicate sediment buildup, which can affect its performance and efficiency. Leaks. Water pooling around the base of the water heater is a clear indication of a leak. Leaks can damage your floors and lead to more serious issues if not addressed promptly. Low water pressure. If you notice a decrease in water pressure when using hot water, there may be a blockage or buildup in the plumbing connected to your water heater. Rusty water. Discolored or rusty water coming from your faucets can be a sign of corrosion inside the water heater tank. This issue requires immediate attention to prevent further damage. Troubleshooting steps. Check the power supply. Ensure that the water heater is receiving power. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box to confirm that there are no tripped circuits. Inspect the pilot light. For gas water heaters, check the pilot light to see if it is lit. If the pilot light is out, follow the manufacturer's instructions to relight it. Adjust the thermostat settings. Verify that the thermostat on the water heater is set to the appropriate temperature. Adjust it as needed, and monitor if the water heats up. Flush the tank. Draining and flushing the water heater tank can help remove sediment buildup that may be affecting performance. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for this process. Check for leaks. Inspect the water heater and the surrounding area for any signs of leaks. Address any leaks promptly to prevent water damage. Inspect for corrosion. Look for signs of corrosion on the water heater tank or fittings. Rust or deterioration may indicate the need for replacement parts. Test the pressure relief valve. Test the pressure relief valve on the water heater to ensure that it is functioning correctly. This valve helps prevent excessive pressure buildup. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can effectively diagnose and address common water heater issues. If the problem persists or if you are uncertain about performing any of these steps, it is advisable to contact a professional plumber for assistance. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on troubleshooting water heaters. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.